Toby, are you not staying in your crib anymore?
You gonna sleep on this?
Time for you to upgrade to a big boy bed, huh?
What are you doing?
You silly boy.
You're making a big ball to sleep on that.
You silly man.
Lay down.
Alright, then go sleep.
Lay down.
There.
Can you breathe? Lay down.
Toby is 2 years old and he's been sleeping in this crib for most of his life, but he doesn't stay in it anymore. So we put him down for naps and before you know it, he's crawled out, fallen onto the floor, and then gets out. And he gets somewhere where we think he's in bed, but instead it turns out that he's downstairs. And then you find him later just covered in marker. All over his body, all over his face.
Purple.
Yeah, we washed most of that off of you. So we figured, well, might as well upgrade him. Get him and see if we can get him to stay in bed because he doesn't stay in the crib anyway.
Lay down.
Let's see how this works. I predict not very well. You want to leave the camera in here? You guys want to spy on him? We'll leave you in here. You guys let us know what he does, okay? What should we do with him? Just laid Toby down again. This time, you're gonna stay in bed, right? I made it clear that if he doesn't, he gets disciplined next time. So, let's see what happens. The kids are doing some homeschool, and they're apparently doing some crossword puzzles.
Their first crossword puzzle.
For their astronomy class.
Crossword. Alright, number 7. Can Daddy read that one?
Number 7 across.
Yep.
A scientist who discovered that the Earth revolves around the sun rather than the sun revolving around the Earth was believed at the time. As was believed at the time. Who was that scientist's
Do you
name?
remember who that was?
Copernicus.
Copernicus. Good job.
Wow. What is this supposed to be first grade level stuff?
I don't know.
Is it C on the
Yeah.
sheet?
You
Nicholas
got it.
Copernicus.
Yep.
Nicholas Copper.
Look, his first name's not even on there. They remembered it. Good job.
Wow, I am impressed.
That was the fun thing when I student taught in kindergarten. Like, it was really fun to teach kids big words and then tell them to go home. Okay, now go teach your parents this. And then they would come home and be like, my mom and dad didn't even know what that word was. They're like, good.
Well, I didn't know that it was Nicholas Copernicus, is that right?
Yeah.
Yay, you're still in bed. Thank you, Toby. You're doing a good job. Night night. Love you. I did not think he would still be in bed. I didn't. When I was homeschooled my whole life growing up, one of the things my parents made a big deal of is music. And I didn't really like, I did like it up until about 10th grade or so, but it teaches you a lot about fractions, a lot about timing and rhythm and patterns and things. So we're doing it, I'm teaching my kids here. I took 12 years of piano lessons. And Zeke we had a few music lessons, right? And here's, what song are you gonna show them, Zeke?
We had a little lamb.
Whoops, sorry, I just knocked it over for
We
you.
had a little
Okay,
lamb.
let me show you play it. Wow, good job, Zeke. And then I have another song.
do this
How about we let Hannah do this one?
Okay. I can do that one without it.
Without looking? What? Let's see. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, I'll hold the answers. Make sure you get it right.
I can do it too, Mom. Wait, I need to turn it up. I can't hear my dad. I can do that too.
What? Wow. I think we need to move on to your next lesson, Hannah. I think you're ready to learn more. Okay, well, it's time for me to upgrade. Can you do these, Hallie? You know how to do them? Or you just like playing? Wow, that's good, Hattie. You just gotta match the letters to the letters on here. And with the kids, we've already taught them all the names of all the keys on the keyboard. They can do that. I just made these little cheat sheets for them, just kind of help them kind of see the patterns of 2s and 3s and 2s and 3s and so on. So. Oh yeah, you're so cute, Hallie. Time to check in on Toby again. Now what are you doing, Zeke?
I'm reading this one.
You reading a book?
Uh-huh.
Is that part of your school time?
No.
You just doing that for fun? Mm-hmm. Oh. We need to tell them about something. You know what we need to tell them about?
Reading my book?
Where are we going on October 15th and 16th?
Minecraft convention. Me, Zeke, and Daddy.
Yeah, we're gonna fly out to Philadelphia region, saying the Greater Philadelphia Expo Center, October 15th and 16th. We are gonna be there. I'm speaking about YouTube stuff, and the 3 of us are gonna go. And it's a Minecraft convention for kids, which is really cool. So, like, Zeke, you like playing Minecraft, right?
Zeke's theme for his birthday is Minecraft.
His birthday theme is gonna be Minecraft, yeah. And so, like, a lot of the things that they build with, a lot of those elements and things, they're gonna actually have them in person, teaching kids how to build with them in real life. You'll be like deep dive workshops. There's gonna be build offs. There's gonna be lots of training. It's mostly like educational for kids, taking something that they like and using it to teach them about something as far as construction and elements and science and physics and all that kind of cool stuff. It's oriented for people, yeah, for Minecraft. It's oriented for kids, I think, that are older than our kids. But we're gonna go because I'm speaking there, and we'd love to meet you guys if you want to come. It's in the Greater Philadelphia area. I'll put a link to it below. It's minefaire.com, and you can use the coupon code VCROCKS, VCROCKS, and you got 30% off your tickets, which is the best deal you can get anywhere. So if you want to come hang out with us and learn Minecraft and have fun with your family as a kid, that sounds like the ultimate family adventure day, doesn't it, Zeke? Sorry, am I interrupting your reading? And I feel like I'm interrupting whatever's going on over here too. I should probably introduce you guys to some Minecraft YouTubers before we go too, because did you know there's a lot of people who make Minecraft videos on YouTube?
Zeke made one. It's made a lot of money.
Yeah, you did make a Minecraft video once, didn't you? Yeah, a lot of big Minecraft YouTubers are going to be at this convention too. I want to check in on Toby, see if he's still sleeping or not. The kids have finished all their school and critical thinking, so Zeke's doing some of his screen time. What are you doing, Zeke?
I'm watching dolphins.
Watching Wildcrats on the computer. And then Hannah is over here with Hallie doing screen time. What are you doing for your screen time? On my laptop? What are you doing?
That's not where it goes.
Oh, what are you doing?
I found
Oh, there you go. You know you can make it brighter? Just like that. Make it a little bit brighter for you.
I did this one.
Watching Peg plus Cat, is that what it is? Yep. Mommy's checking on the screen time, and the screen time's over from their chores. Yeah. So they're laying over there looking at the computer.
I'm tired.
Yeah, you are
working on
making
dinner,
some
but I
chili.
don't have everything that we need.
What do we need?
Well, we're supposed to have another can of kidney beans.
We
I only got one.
So you need kidney beans and chips?
Chips and some cheese to go with it would be nice. So
I do like chips with my chili.
the chips make good. It's yummy.
Do you mean to run out?
You can just use your chili as like your dip.
You want me to go to the store, don't you?
Or I'll go.
I'll go. you do a better job cooking. I can go to the store and get chips and beans. That's no problem. So we got a little shopping list. Me and Zeke gonna come here and grab some stuff. We need to go start with some bananas. Those are cool, huh? Let's get some bananas to take home. How about these over here? Now we need to get some cheese, some cheese to put on the chili, okay? Let's go. Let's get some kidney beans though first. I don't really know. Here we go. Right here. You need 1 can of kidney beans. Want to grab one of those? Yep. There you go. Just put them in the cart. Good job. I think we found the chips. Mom said she wants some corn chips, so some tortilla chips, okay? I think we can find some of those. That's popcorn. We'll look around here. I think around here somewhere, right? These are on sale. We get 2 for $3. How about that? How about we do some, let's do restaurant style. And then maybe a lick of lime. Will that taste good with chili, you think? No? Yeah, I don't know. Does that taste good with chili? No? Alright. We'll just do traditional ones then. How about that? Make it easy. There we go. And last, we need some cheese. So let's look for like the off-brand cheap stuff and grab some of that. And then we'll get going, okay? You gotta find some for me? Do you wanna do sharp cheddar or mild cheddar? Sharp? Careful you don't cut yourself then. You can grab one. Yep, grab one, throw it in the bag, in the basket. Cool. Let's check out and go home and eat dinner. I come home with goodies. Yeah, smells good in here. Do you need some more beans? We got some beans. Toby, did you just get up from your nap?
He looks tired.
Yeah. Hey big guy. Hi. How did you like sleeping in the big boy bed? Was it fun? Well, I'm proud of you, Toby, for taking a nap. All by yourself in there and obeying Daddy and staying in bed.
Everybody inside.
That's a good boy. I'm proud of you, Toby. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mommy's making dinner. We're gonna eat in just a minute, okay? Whoa. Hard to rub your eyes without falling over. So, who's proud of Toby for sleeping in his bed, in the big boy bed, and staying in bed and obeying? Is that a good boy? Eventually obeyed anyway. Well, thank you guys for hanging out with us today. It's been fun having you. And then we'll see you guys tonight for our live stream with 8 passengers. That'll be fun. Again, if you want to get email notices or text message updates about when we go live, down in the description below, you can sign up to get email or text message updates for every Tuesday when we live with other family vloggers. This is going to be a lot of fun. So, looking forward to do that with you guys. See you tonight. Or we'll see you on Friday for our vlog then, too. So, that'll be fun, too. Alright, guys. See you then. Say bye.
We've been digging out new clothes and getting new clothes that I bought at a secondhand sale for Hannah. Hallie, we got a whole box of clothes out from Kat. Yeah.